Hello! In this video, I will be going through the IELTS test dates and how to book through IDP and British Council. Now, I want to say from the beginning that I think the IDP system for booking and checking dates and choosing whether you want to do paper-based or computer is much better. Again, I think it's much better with IDP, but I will show you both IDP and British Council in this video, and you can decide for yourself. If you type in IDP IELTS, it will take you to the default IDP IELTS center in your country. So for this, I'm going to type in IELTS India, okay? Now you just click the first link and you will see this page. Now, what you do, the easiest way is to come on over here. First, we'll do pen and paper based, and then you choose between academic or general training. Let's do academic since it's more popular. And then you go to the country or the city you choose. They have Saturday sessions and one Thursday. If you go to another place, if we pick another city, let's pick a bigger one. You'll see that there's 3 Saturdays. That's normal, and 1 Thursday. This is the normal IELTS paper-based pattern. You'll have 3 Saturdays and 1 Thursday, so 4 times a month. In smaller cities or smaller centers, they might only have 2 Saturdays, okay? And if you switch over to general, you'll see how many they have for general. But it's usually the same for general and academic. They offer them at the same time, at the same place, in the same center. So they're usually the same dates, but just be careful what city you're going to and make sure you check specifically what available dates there are. And if you come over here, you can see that there are so many computer-based dates available. So if you need a flexible time, computer-based is definitely the way to go. All of these green squares, they're all available. So again, computer-based, there's much more availability. Now for the British Council, it's the same thing. You just type in the search. I typed in India because I'm not in India. You come on down here, and then you can see test dates, fees, and locations. A little bit different. They have paper-based here, and then they have the UK visa immigration, and then the life skills. Let's have a look at the paper-based. Next, you scroll down. They give you advice on check your availability, and then you have a choice between academic and general. Let's have a look at academic. We're already on India. This is where if you need special arrangements, you can choose. Pick your date. Okay, and select the center here. And then search for tests. So you can select more than one. And here you see again, they've got 3 Saturdays and 1 Thursday. Again, that is the norm to have 3 Saturdays and 1 Thursday each month. Now that was an example of a center that only had paper-based. So if we scroll down to a larger center, let's go to Mumbai. And you can see here that you've got the computer icon and the paper icon. So let's click on the computer icon, scroll down and search for tests. And then you can see, much like IDP, they are available almost 7 days a week. So Mondays they're not available, but then you can pick any day here and book your test. Okay, well I hope you found that useful. Again, I recommend IDP much more when it comes to booking, but remember, both tests are exactly the same. So I wish you all the best of luck on your next IELTS exam.